That Norbiton, okay, map based question, fine. The given maps compare the significant changes that will happen in N capital, Norbiton area, Norbiton industrial area, industrial, N is missing, Norbiton industrial area, and its corresponding future development layout. So you can mention the word corresponding here. Future development. Looking, so L capital, looking from an overall perspective. It's not perspective, perspective. It is readily apparent. Okay, just mention apparent that factory town will become residential area and accessible E with additional roads and amenities. Though the farmland would would or is expected to remain the same, slightly replaced in housing. Um, a part of it is supposed to replace more houses. You can put a semicolon before it. So when you're putting a semicolon, that also is a compound sentence. Firstly, it is noticeable, E, that in future factory area will completely, spelling, completely be transformed into commercial नहीं ना, residential. And since you've already written residential, into a housing area, housing complex, housing complex meaning housing place, housing area. Okay, in the present town, a roundabout would remain the same. No. In the present town, there is a roundabout which would remain the same. There is a roundabout which would remain the same, but the eastern side will be occupied with large playground. Okay, full stop. Moreover, comma, houses will be constructed on both sides. On both the sides. However, educational criteria, no, will be modified. No. An educational facility is proposed to be added at the eastern side of the town. Which eastern is it? Is it southeast, northeast, or is it the central? Mention the exact location. Eastern doesn't make. Is it really the east side? I don't think it is completely
South.
eastern side. Southeastern side.
Southeast, ma'am.
Right. So you will say
Ma'am,
south. Yes.
Before sides, why we have added the? Was it not fine both sides?
Both the sides. Why we are adding the is we want to stress that we are talking about these two sides.
Okay, what if we don't stress? Is it not right?
No, it doesn't sound right on both sides. We always use it with the on both the sides.
Thank you, ma'am.
Small roundabout will be added in the south, mm, attaching attaching the existing doors of both sides. Again, what do we mean by this? Which small roundabout? A small roundabout will be added. Okay, okay. In the south. Okay. Mm, A small roundabout. A small roundabout will be added in the southern road. Attaching नहीं होगा, connecting. Connecting the existing doors क्यों लिखा है आपने? Do you want to say roads?
Yes.
Connecting the existing roads. Do we have the name of the road?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Both the sides लिखा है ना, तो ये clear नहीं हो रहा है. It's not making sense. I would have to check this. Can you send that picture over? The southernmost area will be surrounded by shops and housing in the bottom lane. When you've written lane, don't write line. Furthermore, healthcare facilities will be at the corner, um, will be added, will be placed, will be constructed, will be at me, will be constructed at the corner of the southeast or at the southeast corner. Southern east, साउथ ईस्टर्न होता है. पहले आप साउथ लिखोगे, जो ERN लगेगा वो नेक्स्ट वाले वर्ड के साथ लगेगा. साउथ ईस्टर्न कॉर्नर. ठीक है. On the other side, so you mean to say southwest or south or northeast? It's not making sense, not clear. What is other side? It has to be explained. What is it? A bridge will be implemented. Wrong word. I see a lot of wrong, inappropriate words. They say attaching the roads, implemented, and education criteria. Lexical resource में आपका बहुत marks जा सकता है. A bridge will be, I think you're talking about the northern side, over the river, and houses will be built over the farmland. Whereas the area of farmland will be replaced to northeast, but east side won't change as much than other areas in Norbiton. So bridge will be, you can say, erected, constructed, built. These words can be used. Okay, and houses will be built. So because of a lot of grammatical and lexical errors, this would greatly reduce your band score.